Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in your local host. So here I'm running XAMPP. It's the Apache and MySQL is already running. So first thing, we need to download the WordPress. So let's go to Google. You can type in the WordPress website. It's called wordpress.org, or you can just Google download WordPress, and here the first search list you can click this, and then this is the website of the WordPress, and you can download the WordPress from here. In this version it's 4.9.6. Click on it and then wait for the download to finish. So download is finished. So I'm gonna just copy this file and go to the websites. This is where I installed XAMPP. So I'm gonna go to htdocs, and I've already created the test folder. So I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna delete the index.html. I created this before. So here I'm gonna extract the files. So if you're wondering, I have already installed this XAMPP inside this websites folder. So if you're not familiar with XAMPP, I'm gonna give you the link in the description below so you can check the video. So here, after I extracted the file, make sure these files are inside this test folder. So take note, it's an htdocs test folder. So we're just gonna cut these files and paste it here. So I'm gonna delete the zip file in the WordPress folder here. I'm just gonna delete this. We don't need this anymore. So now next step is we're gonna create the database. So I'm gonna go to localhost phpmyadmin. So here we need to click the new, so you can create a database here. I'm gonna name it WordPress_DB, and then click create. So WordPress_DB is created, and we can now run the WordPress application. So I'm gonna go to localhost test, and then here we can select the language. So I'm gonna choose English, continue, and then let's start the installation. Type in the database name. So here the database is WordPress_DB. The username is root, and I have no password, and click submit, and then run the installation. So after that, more information needed. Type in your site title. So I'm going to put a test site, and my username I'm going to keep mail, and then type in your password. Type in my password. My password is, so here just click confirm use of weak password, and then you can type in your email address here. So I'm just gonna blur it out. So this option here is optional. We don't need that right now. So install WordPress. This will not take so much time. So now it's finished, and we can now log in to the WordPress dashboard. So I'm gonna type in my password here and click login. So here, this is the WordPress dashboard. You can see plugins, and you can see the website when you hover over here and click visit website. Click visit website, and see, this is the front end of the WordPress. So here the WordPress automatically activated the default theme. I believe this is 2017. Yes, yep. So as you can see here in the database, if you check the database WordPress_db, WordPress automatically created the tables for us. So it's finished. So thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you on the next video.